What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Bape collaboration with Adidas on the Superstar 80s in the ABC Camo colorway. Today's video was sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. They're an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and for my viewers only, through that link down below, you'll be able to get 20% off your entire purchase. On top of that, with every purchase, you'll be able to pick a complimentary item as well, but the complimentary items are only available while stock lasts, so definitely don't wait too long because the items are going fast. So even for someone like me who doesn't wear too many accessories normally, Rose Gold and Black's products are very versatile, high quality, and wearable, and there's pretty much something for everyone on their website. So be sure to check them out. Rose Gold and Black, links are down below, be sure to show them some love. So back to the shoes, this collaboration between Bape and Adidas dropped on Saturday, May 8th for a retail price of $150 US or $190 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is footwear white, off-white, and gold metallic. And this is my first Superstar pickup in a long time. First things first though, here's a quick look at the box, and I honestly gotta say, this is one of the most impressive boxes I've ever seen. It has this very sturdy feel to it, and it's just one of those shoe boxes you can put at the bottom of your shoe pile without worrying that it's gonna get crushed. So as you can see, we have the Adidas 3 stripes running across, and the signature Bape camo print found on all sides. And on the bottom, we have both Adidas and Bape co-branding. Inside the box, if you take off the lid, the paper inside is custom branded as well, and also has that same camo print found throughout. As for the shoes, this is your Adidas Superstar 80s silhouette, which is essentially a recrafted take on your Adidas Superstar to make it look closer to the Adidas Superstar that we knew from the 1980s. So diving right in, on the toe box, earning the nickname Shell Toe, we have this hard rubber toe, which is done in this slightly off-white color. The rest of the shoe is constructed out of leather, and the leather has this layer on top which incorporates the Bape signature camo print. On the lateral side of the left shoe and the medial side of the right shoe, we have the Adidas 3 stripes, which is constructed out of this jagged white colored leather. And then next to this, done in this metallic gold finish, we have Adidas Superstar branding. And on the flip side, so on the lateral side of the right shoe and the medial side of the left shoe, we have Bape's signature star logo, which again is also constructed out of white leather. And underneath this, we have a bathing ape done in the same gold finish. So we have more of that camo print covering the back end of the shoe. And on the very top, we have this hit of white colored leather. And we have Adidas branding on the left foot and Bape Stud branding on the right foot embroidered in black. And finishing this all off, we have this white strip of leather running down the center. Attached to the laces, we have this metallic gold Dubré, which has Bape branding on it. And the laces themselves are done in this very wide flat style lace. And on the lace tips, we have Bape branding. If you're not feeling the look of the white laces, they also give you a secondary pair of black laces as well, but I like the contrast and the pop of the white laces, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. Underneath the laces, we have a thin tongue, which is constructed out of leather, and again has that camel print finish on the top. And on the top of the right foot, we have Adidas branding, and on the left foot, we have Bape branding. The back half of the inner liner of the shoe is covered in this premium white colored leather, and inside there's a small tag with Bape branding on it. For the insoles, these come with your typical Adidas foam insole, however it's lined in leather on the very top, and we have Adidas and Bape branding on the left and right foot respectively. So the upper of the Superstar sits atop this rubber cupsole, which is done in this slightly off-white vintage looking finish. Here we have your standard Adidas Superstar outsole. So this again is done in that same off-white cream colored rubber, and we have this wavy herringbone style traction pattern running throughout. So for those wondering how these Superstars fit, overall they did run a little bit big. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and these would have been perfect in a 9.5, so I would definitely recommend going a half size down. It's been a long time since I've worn a Superstar model, but I'm pretty sure that normal Superstars fit me true to size. Maybe it's because it has a thin tongue on it, or maybe because of the leather liner, but for some reason these definitely ran a bit bigger than I remember. Next up, in terms of comfort, so the Adidas Superstar is a model from the 1970s, and there's pretty much zero tech or cushioning within the sneaker. All the softness you're feeling is coming from the insole, and with that said, the insole in this shoe is pretty thin. So this is going to be fine for just an everyday casual use shoe, but it's not necessarily a pair that I'd be walking around long hours in, and it's not really a shoe I'd consider to be comfortable. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, all in all, I felt like the quality was okay. The materials that they use for the side panels, again, it is leather, but it seems like they've overlaid this layer on top to incorporate the camo graphic. So as a result of that, it sort of has a bit of a plasticky feel to it, but the rest of the leather used on the shoe, including the back heel and the inner collar area, this felt very nice and premium. But from an overall craftsmanship and build standpoint, I had no issues at all. To me, this was a really well put together shoe from Adidas, so I had zero complaints from that perspective. With all that being said now, let's throw these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. I'd be lying if I told you guys I'm a huge fan of Adidas Superstar, but I think in this case, the over-the-top look and loudness of the Bape pattern really worked on this pair. I especially like how they pay homage to both brands, with one side showing off the Adidas 3 stripes, and the other side paying homage to Bape. I don't think this is going to be a shoe I'll necessarily wear that often, but I think when you do wear it, it's definitely going to turn heads. It is quite loud and it is very in your face, but I think if you're a fan of Bape, this is definitely a shoe that you can rock, and people will pretty easily recognize it as being a Bape collaboration. Even though these are sold out, the resale prices on this pair is pretty much non-existent from what I checked. So if you're looking to pick up a pair on the secondary market, it's not gonna hurt your wallet too bad. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Bape and Adidas Superstar 80. When these dropped last week, was this a cop or a drop for you? And what are your overall thoughts on the Adidas Superstar? Is it still a model that you guys would wear, or is it not really your style? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.